So this next project is a sewing machine cabinet. I had someone reach out to contact me to see if I could paint it for her. I went and picked it up, and it actually traveled really nice. They had everything nice and secure down. So I'm just looking over it to make sure that there aren't any big issues that I would have to fix. Unfortunately, it's not wood. It is a laminate top with a pressed wood underneath, but it ended up being a really easy job to do. As I was looking over everything, I was wondering how I was going to get up underneath inside where the sewing machine actually attaches. And it ended up having a huge spring in there. So once I took everything apart, I was trying to figure out how to take the spring off. I wanted to keep all the instructions and everything that was original to it, since she's had this, I believe, for over 30 years. But that spring was really big, and ultimately I decided that I was just going to leave it on there, and I was just going to pull the lever and push down and try to paint around everything as I went. You can see here that big coil, that spring there, it was huge. And I was afraid that if I tried to take it off of there, I might not be able to get it back on because it was pretty tight. I thought about unscrewing it from underneath, but I didn't know how to take the spring off if I unscrewed it. But then I wanted to be able to get it back on without any issues once it was painted. So again, I just left it on there. So I started by removing all of the hardware and hinges and putting them in a little bucket to keep until the very end. I just went through and took piece by piece off, and if anything needed to be labeled, I made sure that I labeled where it came from, what section that it came from. If it was a hinge, I wanted to put it right back exactly where it was. I saved all of that stuff in a little baggie. After I pulled all the drawers out, I made sure that I numbered them just to make sure they went back in the exact spot. I ended up using Simple Green to clean everything up. After you use Simple Green, you do need to go over it and wipe off the residue with a water, or it can cause issues as far as, I believe, paint adherence. I'm not 100% sure on that. I've just always made sure to go over and wipe it off with water afterwards, or a damp sponge, just to make sure that I can get all of that extra off. There was only one little teeny tiny place that I needed to fix. So I ended up using this. It works really well. It dries within 20 minutes and it dries hard, and it's easily painted over. I did end up taping off just around the sides of the drawers. I tend to get kind of messy, so I wanted to make sure that there was no black paint that could get on the sides of these drawers. So I thought I was recording. I'm using Beyond Paint. This is the color Licorice. This is really good paint. You don't have to strip it. Right here. No stripping, no sanding, no priming. I sanded in a few spots that were raised, or I had to fix little pieces that were kind of chipped out. So that's just, you can kind of see it in the shine. So I'm literally just going through and rolling it, and you're gonna let it dry. It's kind of one of those where you have to let it work or it looks really bad before it's done. So I'm gonna paint it and walk away, and it should look really good whenever we're done. So we'll see. So if you can tell, it kind of looks kind of bumpy in texture, but when it's done and it's dry, it will look smooth in texture. And that's only one coat, and it requires 2 coats. Beyond Paint does recommend that you get a chip brush and you stipple the paint in all the little crevices, and then you roll it on. They do not recommend that you paint it on like you would something normal. So that's what I did. I got a chip brush and stippled it all in and then rolled it on. Here, baby. What are you doing? What are you doing? We see, look up here. You see the pretty girl? Who's a pretty girl? What is it? There's a doggy on the TV. Look, Lola, right here. Right here. Lola, look up here. Lola. What's you doing? You just hanging out here with me? First coat. Those have had 2.
I love it already. Oh man, isn't that a million times better?
I love it.
I do too. And you're right, the hard one might even work.
All I did was clean it.
Yeah, we can do that. I think it looks just perfect.